Hello and welcome to Lisa and David's Retirement Adventure. My sister and I are in Ireland. Welcome to Dublin's Temple Bar District, a cobblestone wonder where music fills the air, colors burst out of the wall with beautiful flowers. Every step feels like a story waiting to be told. This is Dublin's cultural quarter. Art galleries, street performer, and pubs everywhere that go well into the night. Check out those flowers to the left. You're getting into the Temple Bar right there. Breathtaking. The name Temple Bar dates back to the 1600s, named after Sir William Temple, whose family lived here and called it home. In 1980, they almost tore it down for a bus station. Thank goodness they didn't. Whether you're here for a pint or a tune, Temple Bar is the heartbeat of Dublin, and it's ready to welcome you.